Hey guys, in today's video I'll be discussing a new amazing feature of our app GBPGM, that is category finder. Yes guys, now you can easily find categories used by your competitors via the keywords from this app. And not only this, you can just click on a single click, you can add that particular subcategory to your Google business profile. And if you are using some unwanted category, then you can remove that too guys. Google constantly keeps on changing these categories, so you have to revise these category at least in a quarter or 6 months period of time. I don't say you need to revise them always, but you need to check them at least. If these are changed, then definitely it's going to impact your profile a lot. And if your competitors are using some category which is working better, then definitely you are missing that amount of traffic. So in this video I'll be sharing this exclusive feature by our app, that is category finder. So let's start. Guys, as you can see on my screen, we are into our app Google Business Profile Growth Manager, and in this is the home section. On the home section you will find this menu list. As you can see, when you move to tools, in the tools section you will find category finder option. So you have to click this tools option, that is category finder. Initially you won't find anything here. You have to just input your keyword like I am doing just now. And then you have to click on this search icon, and now the system starts finding categories on Google based on this keyword which are your competitors. So guys, now you can see it's showing your categories, where the first category is disabled. You cannot change this category because it's a primary category. Other categories you find this cross button, which you can remove it from here itself if you are finding that this category is not according to your business. And guys, I must tell you that you can use maximum 10 categories, in which one is a primary category and 9 other are secondary categories. So you can keep up to 9 secondary categories here. Now if we see, we have only 4, 5, 6 primary categories, 6 secondary categories. And guys, it's not necessary you have to fill all the 9 positions. It depends on your business whether it's being provided by Google or not. Now if you see in the analysis, you will find your competitors. Like you will see in the second place our company is listed here. And guys, you can see these are the categories which we have. Like this orange one is a common in all, which we already have, and this white color category which we don't have in our profile, that you can always add if you want guys. And what you have to do guys, it's very simple. You have to just click on this particular category. Like say for example, I click on website designer category, and what you will see that you will get this category here. It's showing orange because it's not yet saved guys. Similarly, you will find more further categories in this search results. And once you are done with this guys, what you have to do, you have to just click on this update category button. Once you do this, you will find this category is updated, and you will be able to see that particular category here. Like I can add one more category. I'll add a design agency, and I'll just update these categories again. And let's see, you can see this design agency is here now in this category list of our company. And if you don't find any specific category relevant to your business, then you can always click here and remove it. But don't forget to update categories from this button here, otherwise it won't be updated. And guys, in a similar way, you can search it on different keywords related to your business, and accordingly you can manage your categories here from this feature. And guys, category management is very important again. And if you have not started using our app as of now guys, please start using this app to grow your business profile. We have crossed 1 lakh plus downloads with around reviews approximately to 4,000 reviews with a rating maintained of 4.8 plus guys. And guys, lot of people have gained a lot in their business profiles using our apps. So what are you waiting for? Start using this app now. I have given the link of this app in the description section if you have not started using this app as of now. So I'll be back with few more new exciting features in this app which will help you grow your Google business profile to the next level.